Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to show you real quick and easy how to make dinner under 10 minutes. What I'm going to use is some brown rice and this veggie that I have from yesterday left over, and then I'm going to add some chicken breast to it and some veggies that I have here, which is assorted sweet pepper, garlic and onion. Then I'm going to add some oyster sauce, olive oil and salt just to bring up the flavor. So let's do this. So over here I already have a pot that is preheated. I'm just going to add a little olive oil to that real quick. To add all my seasoning and my chicken at the same time so that the flavor can come out in the chicken, because this is going to be real quick. So from start to finish, I'm going to be mixing this because it's a fast meal, so you don't want to keep this hanging. I'm going to go ahead and add a little oyster sauce to that. Not too much. And just keep mixing. And you also want to do this on high flame because you don't want nothing to be springing water and get soggy, because it's a fried rice, so you want to bring up all your colors and make sure you keep on track. So basically my chicken is ready. Once the heat goes over this for a few minutes, you're all set. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my rice. I'm not sure if I'm going to add all the rice because I don't want the rice to overshadow everything. And I just mix this in. Yes, Stella. And that is so good. And you see all those colors popping up. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some of my veggies, or basically all of my veggies. And let's make this get a little crispy for a few minutes. That's looking really yummy. Look at that. All those colors just poking through. It looks good. And you don't need to cover this at all. Don't cover your pot. Just keep mixing until you're finished. You don't need to leave the stove until the pot is completely finished cooking. So I add my oyster sauce when I add the chicken, so I really don't need to add any more oyster sauce because that's all I need. And there you have it, guys. You just turn this off and then you serve. So we're gonna serve it on this beautiful platter right here. And there you have it, guys. Dinner under 10 minutes. It's as easy as it gets. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to Mel's Kitchen, catch up with my dinners that I'll be cooking, my breakfast, every little thing that you think of I'll be showing you guys. comment down below, subscribe if you're new, let me know if you try any of these meals, turn on your notification to make sure you don't miss a video from. Bye guys, see you in my next video.